Hey guys, it's Asheli from Not a True Reviews, and today we are unboxing Jewlybox. It was just like a month or two ago, it was a quarterly subscription. Petting my cat. And they I guess they got, you guys were like, no, we don't want it to be quarterly, we want it to be monthly. They have now since moved back to a monthly subscription. It's a little more affordable, $19.95 a month. When you sign up, you'll choose the type of finish, like gold, silver, or surprise me. Then you'll select whether you want earrings or pierced ears, that sort of a thing. And then they will send you this package. I don't know how many pieces are in here. It used to be 3, but that was like, I think the third one was like $35. So maybe it's only 1 or 2, not sure. I do have a coupon code I'll put down below for you guys. I also do have an affiliate link for them as well. If you do choose to subscribe, if you're interested also in my full review, I will link to that where I'll be wearing everything and you can kind of see it a little differently, not in just the unboxing phase. So they have changed it. It is not in the box that it typically comes in. It's in like more of a rose gold bubble mailer, which is interesting. But look inside. I did take my first glimpse. Look at that pretty, it's packaged beautifully. So they've opted for like a canvas. So maybe, by the way, showing you this, the reason that they're able to bring that cost down could be because the shipping is a little bit less fancy, but you're getting, you know what I mean, a better price. So it's fun to work with a company for so long and see them grow so much. And you know what I mean? Like, there's always kinks and you just got to figure them out. So here's our insert. We believe jewelry is the perfect accessory for an endless supply of confidence. Through empowering women with confidence, we are changing women's lives one piece of jewelry at a time. Our mission is centered around empowering women. We name each one of our pieces after our customers and influential women. Make sure to scan the QR code below with your mobile device to unlock special extras. So there is a necklace. I said this in the last video if you guys watched. I was like, oh, I wish there was a necklace named, or a piece of jewelry named after. There is an Asheli necklace. There literally is a necklace out there called the Asheli. I just thought that was probably like, I've arrived, I felt. Anyway, welcome to November. So this is the November box. This month is all about accessorizing those chunky sweaters and boots with the perfect jewels. Share your looks for a chance to win your next month free. So the bag has all this stuff that we received. So we did get 3 pieces. Isn't that cool? And then it comes in this really pretty canvas bag. This is not quite, so this isn't quite what we used to get. We'd get 3 separate bags. Now it's all in this one and it's wrapped up really pretty. So we open it. I'm excited. I love jewelry. I do. I love to like put it on. I love to have people comment on it. There's something about that. So everything comes wrapped separate. So first off, we have these little earrings. And we'll look at the card afterwards and we'll talk about each piece. So these are little French hoops, or what I would call French hoops. They're not actually called that. They have a different name. Ooh, these are pretty. The finish is beautiful. I think mine has surprised me, but I always prefer silver. I think you guys know that. But I want you guys to see what companies have to offer. And you see how that hook is right there? Isn't that cool? Those are really pretty. Just delicate, subtle accents to any outfit. You know what I'm saying? All right, moving along. Next we have, ooh, other earrings. So these are more like a stud, and they are black. Oh, is this a druzy? I have never seen a druzy like this, ever. So it's a black, almost looks like lava, like a lava stone druzy. And then the outside has like this, almost looks like a crown, a high crown, like a, you know what I mean? Like a high crown setting on like a ring or whatever. Aren't those cool? Ooh, I want to know more about these. Those are really pretty. And another, just a nice, there's actually 4 pieces in here. So 2 earrings. I actually need to get like an earring tree because I literally don't have any room in my jewelry box thing anymore. We could do a jewelry box tour one day and we could just go through everything. I'd be willing to do that. All right, so next we have, oh, these match this matches the earrings. Oh, and it's mixed metals, which is really cool. So this is a super long necklace. You wear this with your chunky sweater. It has this gold filigree. I want to say filigree. I don't know if that's actually the word I want to use, but look how pretty. And then it has the tassel. How cool is that? I love this. I think that's really neat. All right. So there's our necklace. That's beautiful. I love the length. Just if you're wearing a simple sweater, jeans, even like a dress maybe along like a frock. Am I rambling? I think I'm rambling. Whatever. All right. I'm going to be careful. I don't want to knot it up. All right. Finally in our box we have, ooh, I like this. This is the little bracelet. This is super delicate. It has these little knots at each end. You see that? So it's a cuff. Doesn't quite close. And I love, love, love how thin. Typically with these bracelets that have this gap here, this is really thick. And it's just always like, nah, it's a little too much for just every day. For me, at least. Like, because I'm such a, like, t-shirt, jeans, get out the door, run around, do what you got to do. This, though, is simple enough that it's not, like, it does not call attention to itself. It's just there. It's very pretty. And it's very elegant. I like that so much. But it's not, like, too, like, what I'd say girly. You know what I mean? I love it. So that is everything that I received in my Jewlybox. I am actually super thrilled. $19.95 for all these pieces. I think this is an amazing, amazing deal. If you're interested in checking them out with my affiliate link, I'll link to them below. I will also have that coupon code for you. Get in on that. And I'll also link to my full review. Thank you guys so, so, so much for watching. I'll see you next time.